Cyberchase for real.
I love to dance. I started tap dancing when I was around 2 years old, and I've been dancing ever since. Tap dancing is awesome because I get to make my own music. Having taps on my shoes is like having instruments on my feet. I've been practicing a new routine, but sometimes I forget what step comes next, so I keep track of patterns, the order of steps that repeat. The sound of my taps is a clue that helps me remember. It's like my shoes are telling me what comes next. I got rhythm, I got music, I got my guide who could ask for anything more. I got daisies in green pastures, I got my guide who could ask for anything more, who could ask for anything more. Who could ask for anything more? I think I got all the steps in the right order. There were a lot of patterns in there. One tap step in my routine, dancers call a cramp roll. Strange name, right? I'll do it for you slowly so you can see what the pattern looks like and try it for yourself. You can know what comes next if you understand what the rule of the pattern is. The pattern is step, step, heel, heel. Step on one toe, step on the other toe, drop one heel to the floor, then drop the other heel to the floor. Step, step, heel, heel. Step, step, heel, heel. Step, step, heel, heel. Once you learn how to do that, you can try an even bigger pattern called 3 and a break. So let's try 3 cramp rolls followed by a stamp, clap for the break. 1, 2, 3, stamp and clap. You might not get it right away. I didn't when I tried at first, but you can with practice. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, break. I love tap dancing because it keeps me on my toes.
Watch your favorite shows anytime on the PBS Kids video app.